Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and in this video we will discuss about how to create automated adjusted serial number. We have the serial number column and the student name column. So you can see here in one we have David and in two we have Harry. Now if I write any name of the student like Ronald, so you can see here it has adjusted its serial number by 2, giving it to Ronald. If I just again fill the cell by typing the Peter, so you can see here it has again adjusted the serial number by adding it. And if I erase like Harry, so you can see it again adjusted the serial number, and you can see here it is implementing on all these cells. Now if I again add any name of the student, so it will add the serial number like Clark. And if I write another one like the Smith, so you can see here this is how we can use the formula. By using the if function we can create the adjusted serial number, so we don't need to drag the whole column for the serial number. So let's start our example. We have the serial name and we have the name of the students, in which we have the name of the some students and we have the some blank cells. So we just select the cell in which we need to write the formula, so we use equals to if bracket open, and in the logical test select C6, which is our David, then equals to if it is empty inverted comma open close comma, it remains empty inverted comma open close, else we write comma, then count a bracket open, then we select the value which is C6 in the count a. So you can see here then we use the semicolon, and in this semicolon, so first we erase, and then in the semicolon we just select cell which is C6 again, but and close the bracket. But before that we need to first make the constant our first address, which is C6, by press F4. By pressing the F4 we write enter, so we got the serial 1. Now we need to drag it down to apply the same formula on all. So you can see here we got the serial number. Now suppose if I erase it, so you can see it adjusted the serial. Now if I write any name like Ronald, so you can see here it again make the serial number. If I just write here Harry and again use James, so you can see here it has automatically adjusted the serial number. We don't need to put any values, like if I erase any value, so you can see it automatically adjusts the whole serial data. This is the power of the serial formula we can use, right, if function.